Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen Mnk. First, ensure your device is fully charged, which typically takes about 2 hours for a complete cycle. Then, connect it to your computer using the provided USB-C cable. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the necessary drivers, a process that usually takes less than 5 minutes. Finally, launch the Zen Mnk application to begin the initial configuration, which involves setting up your user profile and preferences. Once set up, navigating Zen Mnk is straightforward. The main dashboard displays your active projects and provides quick access to essential tools. You can switch between modes using the intuitive 5-button control panel located on the left side. To adjust settings, simply click the gear icon in the top right corner. Performing common tasks, such as data input or report generation, typically involves just 2 or 3 clicks, making your workflow highly efficient and user-friendly. For more advanced users, Zen Mnk offers extensive customization. You can create up to 3 distinct user profiles, each with unique settings and shortcuts, accessible via the profile selector. Explore the Advanced Analytics module, which processes data up to 10 times faster than standard modes. Furthermore, seamlessly integrate Zen Mnk with popular third-party applications using its open API, allowing for a truly tailored and powerful operational environment. This unlocks a new level of productivity. To ensure optimal performance, regularly update your Zen Mnk software. New versions are released approximately every 3 months. If you encounter minor glitches, a simple restart of the device often resolves 90% of issues. For more persistent problems, consult the comprehensive online knowledge base, which contains over 100 articles. Remember to clean your device's optical sensor monthly with a soft, dry cloth to maintain accuracy and extend its operational lifespan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.